Here are two really simple wealth principles that I've realized the wealthiest people always implement, which is number one is not having instant gratification. So you've got to get away from the things that are always just giving you an instant gratification, a dopamine hit. You're eating chocolate, you're doing drugs, drinking, whatever it is. That's all really short-term minded instant gratification stuff. Wealthy people, they plan for the long term. They have a vision, they have a goal, and then most importantly, they put their time, energy, and resources that align with that longer term vision and goal, and they let time and compound interest do its work, which leads me into the second principle, which is they spend time on things that are evergreen and grow and compound over time. So this can be called like leveraged income or leveraged wealth, is when they do one thing, that next thing that they do after that grows on top of that next thing. And that's why, for example, Warren Buffett's wealth, over 90% of his wealth has come in the last 1/3 of his life because of how strong compound interest is. So the two things you need to be doing is getting rid of instant gratification and having a longer term time horizon. And number two, you need to be spending your time, energy, and resources on things that compound and grow and pay you time and time again.